OMG Nation, in today's episode, I'm going to try something a little bit different. And let's see what happens. I think that maybe, just maybe, this may only work in the South. This is the first time I've ever tried it, and I'm going to try it on camera. Boy, look at that beast behind me right there. I don't know if you guys can see that thing. Hold on, let me get over in the next lane. Look at this guy right here. That's a good looking Charger. Man, that deep blue is crazy looking. Woo. Manhole covers. They're brutal. Look at this thing, guys. Whoa. It looks nice. It looks real nice. And then we run into the turd of the Porsches, the Boxster. If you have one, sorry about your luck. You know that when the exhaust comes straight out of the middle, there's not much power in that thing. I'm just going to tell you, that's any vehicle. It's like a V6 or a 4-cylinder, slightly faster than a go-kart. Ooh, are my vents open? I'm gonna have to open up the, yes. Open up the shield. I have to open it up and let some, well, I don't know, what is it, like 95 degrees here today? It could just be the humidity. We'll check in just a second. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I got you. Yes. 1, 2, 3. I got you again. Cool. Alright guys, so that's the name of the game today. Paper, rock, scissors. Right here in Franklin, Tennessee. I'm going to see how many people I can get. Right now, I am undefeated. Hey. Alright, let's see who our next challenger. Oh, she's going to be a good challenger. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I got you too. Undefeated. Thank you. Undefeated right now. 2 for 2, baby. Let's go for the next challenger. In this corner, OMG MOTO Ryan. 2 wins, 0 losses. Paper, rock, scissors. And who will be the next challenger to step up to the current reigning champion? Let's see. Give me a red light, brother. Oh, nice Hyundai. It kind of looked like a pimped out Hyundai. Uh-oh. Who's next? All right, let's see. What about this one right here? This is going to turn on me, I think. She went to do it? No, she's busy with her phone. She's very busy with her phone. All right, I need somebody else. How about these folks? I don't know if I want to get in front of the lady on her phone. She might smush me. Give me another red light, brother. Oh, here's one right here. Here we go, here we go. Turn red. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, OMG MOTO, the Paper, Rock, Scissors champion of Franklin, Tennessee, is about to step up to the 3rd challenger, currently undefeated in Paper, Rock, Scissors. I hope whoever's in that thing or whoever they're going to see is going to be all right. Looks like maybe they're going to pick somebody up at the hotel. Maybe say a little prayer, everybody. Make sure they're okay. Boy, these people are just ready to rush out in front of me today. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, she'd have been a good one to play with. Right here. here we go. You want to go? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I won. Still doing great. Let's see if I can find someone else to play. I'm gonna try to do some one and dones and see what happens. Oh, this ought to be a good lane right here to pick one from. I need that light to turn red. I need to see a bright, solid red. There it is, brother. Who is my next challenge? Will be this guy? No. How about this guy in the truck up here in the dually? I might be too far back for him. No. This guy. Oh, I can't get to him. Pull up a little bit, white car. Oh no, I lost him. Here we go. Which lane do I want? Which lane am I choosing? I'm choosing this lane right here. Oh, we got some workers right here. Dun, dun, dun. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. No. Paper, rock, scissors. 1, 2. Let's go 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah! I think he tried to put down paper, but he turned it up sideways. We're not going to count him. Thank you. It's time for a new challenge. How long can my undefeated streak go? I'm going to tell you guys, you should give this a try. You should ride around your town and give it a try. Are you seeing, I don't know if I'm catching everybody's face, but are you seeing the smiles that are being brought to people's faces? They're just kind of sitting, driving along, thinking about whatever. Maybe they're in a good mood, maybe they're in a bad mood. And then all of a sudden, some guy on a 2006 Harley Davidson called the Blue Ghost wants to challenge him in paper, rock, scissors. I believe that guy knew behind me, so he pulled behind me so he didn't have to lose. See, this is why I love living in my town right here, guys. People are just fun. We're gonna go this way and see if I can catch some restaurant traffic. Oh wait, I feel like I can get some of these folks right here. Okay, here we go. Who's next? Okay, not him. Oh, this lady would have been perfect behind us. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. Stay red, stay red. And the next challenger is awake. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was a tie. That was my first tie. I love it when they don't want to play at first, and then they say, that's too fun. I give in. I'm going to play. Thank you. All right, here we go. Who else can we play against? Okay, I can't. Whoa. That one just shot across the street real quick like. Oh, what are we doing? He is not paying attention. That, 2 people were on the phone. Wouldn't that be a shame if both of them had an accident with each other? All right, let's go. All right, here we go. And they got a dog too. These people should be great to challenge. They'll pull up. I got him! I got him! So technically I'm still undefeated. Hey everyone, I appreciate you watching today's episode of the OMG MOTO Paper, Rock, Scissors Challenge. Is it called Paper, Rock, Scissors, or is it called Rock, Paper, Scissors? You guys let me know in the comments. Also, I believe you should give this a try in your area, in your neck of the woods, so to speak, because I'm going to tell you, the laughter, the smiles that it brought to people's face, you can just add just a little bit of sunshine to someone's face. I like to keep it positive right here on the OMG MOTO channel. If you have not already, hit the like button. And if you want to become a member of the OMG Nation, it's as easy as reaching down and hitting the subscribe button. And like I always say, keep it old school. Thanks for watching, everyone. Oh, stall. Say bye, Harley.
Bye, Harley.
Oh, this is recorded, by the way.
I didn't think it wasn't recorded.
Okay. Just checking.